Reminds me of Cape Town, where there is scarcity of water now. So what has been the reason for Cape Town to run out of water? और अगर इसको हम लाहौर के context में देखें, do you see this happening in Lahore's case as well?
Yes, we are going to in that direction if we didn't think about it now. Cape Town has different. One of the reasons is urbanization and all, and also the geographical issues was there. So, and then they haven't thought about it. Their planning is also lacking. For example, हमारे पास हर दफ़ा floods, like we do have floods in place. A lot of fresh water wasted and go back into the sea. It was like if we have this small infrastructures of dam or something like that, that we can restore the water. It's just wasted all every time we have these floods in place. So Cape Town में भी that sort of issues were in place. अभी वहाँ पे भी water is a valuable commodity. They have to work it out. Classic example. Hopefully no, we are blessed. I would say हम लोग blessed हैं. We have fresh water, we have sea water, and fresh water is a very valuable commodity, and we are using and wasting it in a very unfortunate way. So water stewardship concept, industries are now in Pakistan are also working on that. It's like we have to recharge. Industries set their water recharge targets कि उनको they have to give it back to the soil. जो आपने बताया. One of the water recharges and factors is like we need to increase our plantation cover as well. So unless that is not in place, we will still, the water table will be going down. अभी पहले every time you need to do a bore, आपको मज़ीद नीचे से नीचे ही जाना पड़ रहा है. दिस इज़ अ रीज़न क्योंकि वो वाटर पर्कुलेशन होती है आपकी. जब बिल्डिंग्स बनती हैं आप पाइलिंग करते हैं तो वो कंक्रीट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एक सॉइल होता है, नेचुरल सॉइल, वो उसको ट्रिकल डाउन करता है. वी आर लैकिंग दो सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड देन वी हैव एग्जाम्पल्स. आपने केप टाउन की बात की. अर्बन जंगल बना लेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? वी नीड नेचुरल स्पेसेस. एवरी कंट्री, every debate that happens, they need to have natural green spaces. We are losing those.